If these two stones are identical at the atomic level, even for the most advanced gemological scanners, why are you still paying a 10,000% marketing premium for one of them? This is not just a stone. This is a 4.5 billion year miracle, replicated in just 14 days. Welcome to the heart of the atomic spark. Atomic spark, the science of eternal wealth. Today, we reveal the blueprint. Isolated in the wilderness, this facility operates on the edge of physics. Step inside the silent revolution. Meet Dr. Chen. He doesn't find diamonds. He codes them. Behind this door, nature's rules are rewritten. 24 leviathans, generating the pressure of the Earth's core. Every piston stroke exerts 60,000 atmospheres of pressure. At 1,500 degrees Celsius, carbon begins to surrender. Atom by atom, we accelerate billions of years into days. This is the ultimate heist of nature's secrets. Chapter 1. The Journey of Carbon. It begins with the rawest form of potential. Military-grade sealing, ensuring absolute purity. 99.999% pure graphite, the building blocks of light. Every gram is cataloged by AI. A shadow that will soon become a sun, handled with the precision of surgery. One impurity could destroy everything, from loose layers to an unbreakable bond. It's a war against entropy. Raman spectropmetry confirms the soul of the material. Data doesn't lie.
Dr. Lin prepares the seed, a tiny sliver of nature, placed in its metallic womb.
Surrounded by its own future self. The catalyst, the key to the gate, sealed forever. Approaching the storm, entering the core. The silence before the eruption. Ignite. Ignite. Chapter 2. Geocentric power. The vibration of absolute power. Physics at the breaking point. 600 tons of force on a fingernail. Raw, beautiful, ugly. Back into the pressure cooker. The pressure builds again. All systems normal. Back into the pressure cooker. The pressure builds again. All systems normal. Programming the conditions of creation. Creating the void. The fuel of stars. Powering the microwave field. Lighting a sun in a vacuum. 3,000 degrees of contained fury. Molecules torn apart, atoms set free. Ripping molecules apart to build brilliance. Layer upon layer, atom by atom, temperature maintained with absolute precision. Every molecule counted. 24 hours in the making. A perfect window of carbon. Sculpting with light. Ready for the transformation. Every diamond tells its origin story. Identical in every metric. Protected, cataloged, prepared, automated precision. Next station, the master's hands. Chapter 4, the master's hands. Where machines end, artistry begins. Machines create the body. Old Chow creates the soul. Reading the stone's soul. Jiqi Tranzao Shinti, Jiaoren Fuyu Linghuan. Where machines end, artistry begins. Machines create the body. Old Zhao creates the soul. Reading the stone's soul. Where machines end, artistry begins. Machines create the body. Old Chow creates the soul. Reading the stone's soul. Every Fresnel mapped in 3 dimensions. AI calculating the perfect cut. Human wisdom meets machine precision. Marking the path of perfection. Separating the gem from the rough. 2 halves of a perfect whole. Shaping the rough into brilliance. A touch measured in microns. Transforming surface to mirror. 57 facets, 1 masterpiece. A lifetime of silence for 1 second of sparsh. 57 faces of perfection. Fire captured in carbon. Measuring the impossible to measure. 10 times the truth. D for flawless. Z for history. 10.03 carats of perfection. Another masterpiece completed. Presented in all its glory. Beauty in every light. Physics creating poetry. Documented perfection. Transparency in every way. Ready for its final form. Chapter 5, the art of Pave. Where silence meets sparkle. Platinum, the metal of kings. Metal surrendering to heat. Pouring the foundation of luxury. A rough beginning. Every stroke counts. Preparing the throne. Creating a galaxy of positions. Hundreds of stars in waiting. One by one, with infinite patience. A galaxy of stars on a single ring.
Securing each star in place. A galaxy on a finger. The crown takes its place.
6 prize securing eternity. Locked in perfection. Metal transforming to mirror. Every atom of dirt removed. Born again in brilliance. Perfection from every angle.
A journey through a diamond galaxy. Its final sanctuary. Light preserved in darkness.
A masterpiece complete. Where tradition meets tomorrow. Golden hour at the Atelier.
From art to evidence. Tradition says rare, science says wasteful. The revolution is here. The revolution is here. Same perfection, different price. The cost of tradition.
2 worlds, 1 carbon, 1/5 the footprint. Pure, beautiful, and without harm. The new generation chooses wisely.
The world is watching. Luxury embraces the future. Tomorrow's diamonds. Today. Beyond jewelry. the quantum age. Diamond cooling the world's most powerful chips. Diamond windows to the cosmos, Saving lives at the atomic scale. A global revolution. $50 billion by 2030. This is not just a revolution in jewelry, but another milestone in humanity's conquest of the laws of nature. From carbon to crown. Perfection replicated. Pure brilliance. Atomic spark. Created with passion. The humans behind the miracle. Craftsmanship celebrated. The world now produces over 10 million carats of lab-grown diamonds every year.
Next, the quantum diamond.